A adventurous wolf who frequently stared into the village looking for food. The village was filled with dogs that scared the wolf. Although he was scared the dogs, the wolf loved food and traveled to the city again and again. One day, as he was going to enter a house, he heard barking. He was shocked to find a gang of dogs running towards the house. They looked violent and caused of wolf to panic. He ran and tumbled into the tub of blue dye. The dogs could not see him and ran another way. Now Wolf was completely blue from head to toe, and he appeared very different from any other animal. The wolf was pleased as no one would be able to recognize him, and he could easily fool anyone in the jungle, just like he had thought. Everyone in the jungle was surprised to see such an unusual animal. The small animals, the lion and tigers, all asked who he was and who had sent him. I have been sent by God, said Wolf. I will now be the king of jungle. The lion protested, saying he had always been the king of the forest. From now, that must change, and all of you must serve me. The wolf smiled and said, some animals, like the tiger, protested and asked that would happen if they did not obey him. He replied, saying God would destroy the entire jungle if they did not. Scared for their lives and their jungle, the animal asked Blue Wolf what he would like them to do. Bring me lots of food, said the Blue Wolf promptly. The animals quickly screwed and returned with lots of food for the wolf. He had so much food that he gave his leftovers to the other animals and told them that they had to serve him fresh food every day. He even threw out the pack of wolves from the protest and from the forest because he knew that they could identify him someday. The blue wolf was very happy himself for fooling the entire forest and animals and was happy to be away from the city dogs. But one day he banned groups of wolves was walking around the forest and howling loudly. The blue wolf began howling out of habit too. Because of this mistake, the other animals quickly identified him as a wolf and destroyed him. So, we learn from this story we always be true yourself. Don't pretend to be someone you are not. You should be real, not fake. So, thank you so much.